Hi guys, it's Anne here, and it's way past my bedtime, but I'm staying up so I can open my lucky bag from Beautylish. I know it's a box, but it's the lucky bag from Beautylish. I have been waiting for this for like ever. Well, not like forever, but this was like my Christmas gift to myself. So we're just going to get straight into opening this. I learned from the unboxing I just did, and I covered up my address. I have sentimental value in doing this because my first video was a Beautylish unboxing, and to be honest, when I did it the last time, I think I even mentioned it. It was like my third time filming that video. It was a rough go. It was one of those, like, is this a sign that I should not film videos? So yeah, my very first video was my Beautylish Lucky Bag unboxing from last year. I have not seen anybody's video yet. I've been really, really good and haven't watched anything. I did accidentally catch a single item from a Reddit post, and it wasn't until I realized when I saw the background that it was a Lucky Bag unboxing. So this is new. This is all fresh. I love the paper. It's so cute. I don't remember what the paper was last year, but I think it was very cute last year too. It's weird that they didn't actually like wrap it in the paper, which is actually kind of nice because now I can save this paper for something else. So it says, I'll read you the little thing. Sorry, blocking my view. Lucky bags are a Japanese New Year custom that inspired us to create our own. The sumo wrestlers, or rikishi, on this year's lucky bags are said to bring good luck and fortune. I hope so. I need it. We hope the surprises inside make your 2019 a little more lucky. Cross my fingers. I was really happy with what I got last year. I'll link that video below. There was one item that I didn't care for, but everything else I loved and I use still today. A lot of paper. It seems like there's a lot in here. So this is just the regular box. I think I mentioned that already. Oh, and the weight of my box, I'll put it down below, but it was 840 grams. I know that seems to be really important to some people. Apparently this was packaged by, I want to say, Nick? I think it's M-I-C, but it kind of looks like M-I-L. Anyway, sorry, I'm totally just like delaying the suspense because I'm nervous that I'm going to get stuff that I don't like. My expectations are way too high because I'm way too excited. Okay, I'm going to stop talking, unwrap, and let's just go. Go team. Go team. Oh, Jouer High Pigment Lip Gloss. That makes me excited because I like lip gloss way more than a liquid lipstick. And I have a Jouer lip topper from last year that I really like. And this is a beautiful color. This is in the color Sunset. I'll quickly get everything else wrapped. I still don't know what else there is. A little swatch. I think I'm going to like this color. I hope so. It's a lip gloss, so it's very pigmented though. That is what that looks like. It's very pretty. It's kind of like a peachy pink. BDL Lume Layer Primer Fresh. What is this? This primer gently hugs and hydrates the skin with deep moisture and volumizing light, brightening, and hydrates the skin with deep moisture and volumizing light, okay, brightening the skin with clear and watery radiance. I think I like this. I do like illuminating primers. I have, I'd say normal-ish skin, but it's wintertime right now, and my skin is losing its freaking mind. And because I'm getting older too, I'm finding I don't like a super matte finish anymore as much. I don't know what that is. I don't know why I'm changing. But anyway, let's squeeze some of those out. I like the packaging. I like that it's in this really, really nice bottle. Sorry, this is what I'm bad at. Not showing you the packaging. This is like very luxe. Like it's very heavy. And that's what it looks like just on my hand there without rubbing it in. Ooh, it is very watery. And that's what it looks like rubbed in. So I'm very excited with that. 2 for 2 so far. Yeah. What's this? Charlotte Tilbury. I don't own any Charlotte Tilbury. It's bloody expensive. It just launched here in Sephora this year, or in 2018, and it's really expensive. So I haven't bought any, but I've considered buying it off Beautylish because I like the pigment. Oh my god, I can't open this. So this is what it looks like in the packaging, just in the box. And it is the, I don't know. I have decoded the secret to, oh, that's her instructions. I'm ridiculous. Oh, there we go. Sorry. Really dumb. It's right above the barcode. It says the Dolce Vita. I have no idea what this palette looks like. I know I was looking at these. They had the kits with like the Pillow Talk kit or like the Bombshell kit, but they were like $200 and something. So this is what it looks like on the outside. I think we've all seen Charlotte Tilbury packaging. Nothing too exciting. Oh, this is really nice. Actually, it looks like it would go really well with the lip color too. So hopefully that's in focus there. Really wearable shades, which I like. So let's do some swatches. So far, I'm like shaking. I'm so excited. I'm also probably shaking because I haven't eaten. It's like way past my bedtime, and I trudged 20 minutes in the snow, but I was watching my email. So when I got home, I knew this was waiting for me. If you want to see what the weather's like in Toronto, go over to my Instagram right now. Yeah, it's a little crazy. It's a little snowy. I'm going to swatch that first one. It's hard to see. Okay, the first shade's really hard to see because it's like my skin tone. Hopefully that will focus. So yeah, there they are. That first shade's really hard to see. It's right there. It's sort of like a satiny beige color. But yeah, really, really nice. Really pigmented. Sorry, I'm such a loser. Another really nice thing that I actually almost bought. I saw, I don't know if it was this product specifically, but I saw a similar product at Winners or Marshalls not too long ago. This is the Kevin Aucoin Celestial Powder in Candleight. I'm pretty sure it was the shade too, and I almost bought this. It might have been, I think there might be a liquid version of this. This is so fancy and so pretty. So pretty. Comes in this little, like, I don't know, velvet bag? Yeah, velvet. That's the word. And again, we all know Kevin Aucoin packaging. It is beautiful. Very first Kevin Aucoin thing. I go back to, I used to, first books that I learned to do makeup on, because I learned from books, because there was no internet, was Kevin Aucoin books. Oh, there might have been internet, but I was from a small town. Took us a while. So this is what it looks like. Just looks like, you know, champagne-y kind of color. Let's see, where can I don't have to swatch it on my other hand here. I have it on the back of my hand, but the lighting, I don't know if you can see. Yeah, you can kind of see the reflection of my hand a little bit there. It's like literally all over the back of my hand. So this is going to be a nice really powder. I'm curious to compare this to the Hourglass powders, because I really like the Hourglass powders. So we shall see. This bag is awesome. Awesome. This is a Wayne Goss brush. It is the number 17 brush. I have a Wayne Goss brush from my last. I need to get it out of the bag. I don't want to pull on it. There we go. From my last bag, and I use it pretty much every day. So pretty excited to get this one. This is the number 17. Looks like that. Very pretty, very soft. Hopefully it will help me do my eyeshadow better, because I kind of suck. And this one says coming soon, so it must be something that's not available on their website yet. That's kind of cool, because sometimes I feel like these boxes are them just trying to get rid of excess stock that they don't sell, so you're like gonna get like weird shades and stuff. But obviously, so far, no. Good Molecules Wake Up Eye Serum. Ooh, I need this. Formulated with caffeine and pumpkin extract to brighten firm, and deep puff. Well then, I swear to God, whoever put this box together, it's like, do they know me? Did like somebody specifically curate this for me? Because this might be like a perfect surprise box for me. Because everything in this, I'm loving. Directions: massage a few drops into the skin and around the eyes, morning and night, suitable for daily use. Well, this is exciting. I need a good eye serum. I have crazy under eye wrinkles, and they're puffy and horrible. Not too much darkness, but that's what it looks like. I'm not gonna like. It's a serum. We all know what like a serum is like. So, yeah. Holy crap! This was amazing. So just to recap, the items that I got were this Jouer lip gloss in Sunset, this primer from BDL, that's a Lumi Layer Primer Fresh, the Charlotte Tilbury eyeshadow quad in Dolce Vita, or the Dolce Vita, the Wayne Goss brush, number 17 brush, and this Good Molecules Wake Up Eye Serum. Oh my goodness, what a good box. So I'll add all this up to show what the value of all the items are. So I do live in Canada, so this cost me a pretty penny. It was, I think, $140 Canadian with like the exchange rate and shipping and stuff, so it was pretty expensive. So I do want to point out that I just bought the regular box. So I bought the box, it was $75. Might be a bit controversial that I didn't purchase. I know that they were doing a spend $150 and we'll donate a box. To me, being international, it just didn't seem like it was going to be a useful value for two reasons. That I'm sure, yes, it would be really nice to spend money and give a box to somebody else in need, but I feel like my dollar value will go further by donating to somewhere local. So what I'm going to do is to donate to a local charity. I'll put some local charities down below in case you're interested. I'm not sure exactly which one I'll donate to just yet. Mostly I donate to like Cancer Society and Covenant House. There's a few that I donate to regularly, but I want to look for like a women's shelter specifically to donate this time to. So that's it. That is my Beautylish unboxing. If you did like this video and you are interested in seeing future videos from me, please subscribe. I hope you have a fabulous day. If you did get a Beautylish lucky bag, please tell me what you got below. I'm super excited to find out. I'm now going to go watch all the videos. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you sometime soon. Bye.